Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Present petition under section 482 CRPC is being disposed of with the assistance rendered by the learned counsel for petitioner and respondents number 1 and 3. Stop. Petitioner Ram Pratap has prayed for the quashment of Kalandra filed under section 145 CRPC dated 10th July 1995, which was filed by SHO Police Station Ding in the Court of Subdivisional Magistrate Sirsa. Stop. Prayer has also been made for the quashment of order dated 14th November 1995 passed by the said magistrate under section 146 bracket 1 CRPC. Stop. Para. The case of the petitioner is that 1. Srimati Kishni was owner in possession of the land measuring 188 canals 4 marlas as mentioned in para number 1 of the petition. Stop. Said Kishni died and mutation number 2015 of inheritance was entered and sanctioned in favor of her legal heirs. Stop. The aforesaid legal heirs of Kishni, who became owner by way of inheritance, suffered a decree dated 11th January 1991 in favor of the petitioner. Stop. On the basis of this decree, mutation number 2027 was also entered and sanctioned in favor of the petitioner. Stop. In the revenue record also, the petitioner was shown in possession of the respondent number 2, though his real brother did not like the mutation in favor of the petitioner and he filed a suit for injunction in the court of additional senior sub-judge Sirsa. Stop. Along with the suit, he filed an application under Order 39, Rules 1 and 2 CPC, praying that during the pendency of the suit, possession over the suit land may not be disturbed. Stop. The suit was filed on 24th May 1994. Stop. The civil court did not allow the application of respondent number 2 under Order 39, Rules 1 and 2 CPC. Stop. On the contrary, the petitioner filed a suit for permanent injunction on 27th August 1994 against respondent number 2 and prayed that during the pendency of the suit, his possession should not be disturbed. Stop. Along with the suit, he filed an application under Order 39, Rules 1 and 2 CPC and ad interim injunction was granted. Stop. According to the petitioner, it is established by the civil court that he was prima facie in possession of the suit land and in spite of that, respondent number 2 with the connivance of SHO Police Station Ding manipulated proceeding under section 145 CRPC, in which orders under section 146 bracket 1 CRPC were also passed. Stop. The answer of this court is in the negative. Stop. In the present case, the injunction order was already in favor of the petitioner. Stop and over.